a few challenges in the rollout of 5G technology. This becomes particularly important because India is planning to roll out 4G in the coming years. So we'll see what are the challenges. Here, the high investment in infrastructure. So we have to change a lot of things if we have to transition from 4G to 5G technology. For example, we need to have fiber optic network system, which is still taking up in India. We need to have a very high dense fiber optic network system for us to have a proper 5G technology all over India. So that needs a lot of investment. So there is high investment need. Next comes pricing of 5G spectrum. This is recently in news. So the telecom companies are raising an issue that the 5G spectrum is too costly. That is, the government will allow the telecom companies to use the spectrum, the 5G spectrum. So it will auction the spectrum and the telecom companies have to pay the government to buy this 5G spectrum. So depending on how much this telecom companies pay the government, the telecom companies will have their prices. For example, if the telecom companies pay a very high price to get the 5G spectrum from the government, they will have to get that money back from the customers. So the pricing of 5G spectrum is also a challenge when it comes to rollout of 5G technology. Next comes environmental concerns. 5G technology is also energy intensive, and it is also said that it might not be so environmentally friendly. Next comes production of 5G enabled devices. So we all have mobile phones, but they are only 4G adaptable. But if we have to use 5G technology in our mobile phones, the mobile phone manufacturing companies have to do some modifications in the mobile phones. So that will be an issue when it comes to production, because the previous technology is still in use. That is, 4G is still being used. So if the mobile manufacturing company has to produce, it has to use both 4G and 5G. So that becomes costly. So that is one challenge with the rollout of 5G technology. Next comes late adoption in India. We have already seen companies like Huawei from China are pioneering this technology. So India is lagging behind in rolling out 5G technology. And then comes digital divide. What is digital divide? Digital divide is the access to internet in the population. We already see that there is digital divide between rural and urban population. So urban population already have higher access to internet facilities, even 4G, whereas in rural population the access to internet is less, and they are even using 3G services or even 2G services. So if we are rolling out 5G technology, the urban population will gain access to 5G technology also. So this difference between the rural and urban population will increase more. That is, the digital divide will increase. So these are some of the challenges of 5G technology. Thank you.